Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Going Guitar. We have VAULTBOY here. VAULTBOY, we had him before with a song called Everything Hits Me at Once. This time we have Everything Again, but Everything Everywhere. So let's take a look at this Everything Everywhere song. We have 3 chords here. We don't use any capo for this one. We're going clean, so let's take a look at the chords. We have first the F. That's a bar chord. You place the bar on the 1st fret over all strings, and then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. Alright, the next chord will be a G, and I'm going to show you 2 versions of it. The first one is the bar version, because I think it's very handy for just this specific song here, because we're going to switch a lot between F and G. And the bar G chord is the exact same grip as the F, you just move it 2 frets towards you and place the bar on the 3rd fret now over all strings, and then you need to add 5th on A, 5th on D, and 4th on G. But you see, this is the exact same grip as F, just 2 frets towards you. Okay, so that's the F and G, and you're gonna use this a lot. But we also have another G here. That's the main standard G chord, so to speak, and it looks like this. That is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. So you can go either way if you want to use the bar chord G or the standard G like we usually do here on this channel. And why I mentioned this G as well is because we're gonna throw in the 3rd other chord, final chord for the song, and that's the D minor. So that comes in between the F and G later, so that is why it kills the flow here between the bar switches like this. So you need to go from F to D minor and then back to G, and there is the need of perhaps this version of G. That's just an explanation why I give you 2 different versions of G. Anyway, let's take a look at the D minor. It looks like this. So that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. Okay, so we have the 3 chords now. It's a very simple song to play. We're gonna learn the strumming pattern, and we're gonna do that with the first F chord. So grab this F, and we're gonna play a strumming pattern that is about 6 downs in total, but you wanna emphasize the 4th down. You do that in a way that you're gonna play on the bass strings for all the downs except from this 4th D, which you're gonna play more on the top strings. So you're gonna play bass, 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 top, bass, bass. Okay, so that is one strumming round. Okay, so you're gonna play like this for a couple of rounds. You get the feeling for the rhythm. Alright, so we're ready for the verse, and the verse play is about F2 and G2. Okay, I'm gonna show you with this G in this tutorial, and like I said, you can just go up to this G instead, doesn't matter. So F, F, G. Just back and forth like this. Alright, then the pre-chorus part will be F2, then the D minor 2, G2, and after G2 you have a long pause that is about as long as 1 chord with 2 strumming rounds, because it fills up the gap there, which should really be a chord there with 2 strumming rounds, but it's a pause there instead that builds up for the chords later. But yeah, like I said, F2, D minor 2, and G2 with a pause. And a pause. And then comes the chorus right about there somewhere. And the chorus is very simple. It's the same as the verse play. So you just go with the F and G, and it sounds again like this. Alright, so you can play around with the G like I just did. And yeah, simple song from VAULTBOY, everything, everywhere. Give it a try. And until next time, play tuned.